my ass once today.
Here?
There's like no street to sidewalk ratio.
Nope. Damn. This is crazy, kid. Son, I wish we still were in classes today.
Shit.
You know what I mean? Like, we would have had it canceled.
Yeah.
If this week was finals, I would have loved it. I mean, I don't know about you, because you could just take the train. I don't know if they would have closed it. For me, I'm like, fuck out of here. I'm going to Staten Island.
You can't.
The bridge?
Half the damn train. Stop. They canceled. The bus isn't definitely going nowhere.
Isn't the bridge, like, closed?
I haven't heard a thing.
I know they closed the BQE.
Hell yeah. That's good.
Damn. Yeah, you don't even believe the other night, some fucking idiot, that was like 2 o'clock in the morning, he was just drunk and started hitting cars. And I looked outside, because that's the time I went to sleep. I was like, oh, he better not be hitting mine. I look out, and he's not. He's hitting the car behind it. Then I wake up in the morning to find out that my dad said, he's like, yo, did you see the guy who kicked the car? I'm like, no, he didn't kick the car. He kicked the car behind you. He's like, no, he kicked it. And today while I was shoveling, just like this big dent in the door.
Damn.
I'm like, fucking idiot, yo. I think my dad's just gonna use the plunger.
Still a plunger. Who cares if you look at it? That's a good thing.
I'm like, yo, you saving yourself money.
Well, she doesn't like that.
Yeah. Nigga, you my way. Fucking ass. I'm just going straight commando, yo. I'm not even following like tracks. I'm just going straight with it. Yo, I'm about to hit that kid that was throwing the snow. I'm like, nigga, you see us crossing.
Yeah, so saying that actually fucking open.
You know the workers are tight.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. So what are your views on the fucking Winter Wonderland in New York? When was the last big one here? Wasn't it like 95, 96?
95, 96.
Something like that, right?
That one was big, like 24 inches.
I know.
Central Park got fucking 20.
Dude, I still got like 30, I think. Long Island got hit hard.
I think my pants are full.
Yo, were you shoveling last night?
A little bit.
Oh man, I was outside for like 2 hours. Yo, forget it. It was hell. And last night, you know what it looked like?
Careful.
You know what it looked like yesterday? The Day After Tomorrow, the movie?
I was just gonna say that.
That's what it looked like. And that's what it looks like right now. You see people outside just like, they're going home and they gotta go buy water, they gotta buy something.
Recover. So how much I just like stuck it up? This is that spot.
Nope.
The curve right here.
Look at that. Yo, you can see the whole city. Right here.
You know the city's clean, right?
You can like see some of it.
You know the city's clean, right?
Yeah. Because the city's important. I mean, you can't even front, but it is important. Got people here cleaning. But yeah, man, last night was horrible, man. Like me and my brother and my dad, we were shoveling. It was crazy. The wind.
There was really no use to shovel last night.
Huh?
There was really no use to do it.
Yeah, there really wasn't no point, but I mean, if you kind of think about it, there is, because then like the snow all the way at the ground wouldn't be that packed. So if you keep shoveling, it'll get rid of it. Look at this. This wishes me off to where? This reaches me up to, look at that, past my knees. Past my knees, almost. Look at that. That the street right there, that's like at least 4.5 feet high.
That looks like a fucking South
4.5 feet high.
Huh?
Hell yeah, that's like 4.5 feet high. See, those niggas will throw themselves. The snow is packed.
That's all I do.
Nah, fuck that. See, look, this dude fuck good his wipers up.
You have to, them just get frozen to the fucking mirror.
I left he can't bring them down. Like he tried to put them down, they snap.
That's just funny. Mad trying to do it.
My bad. Oh shit.
Yeah, the whole place cannot be open.
Chinese word, like we might need you for food.
The only place that's not open right now is the Chinese spot. But then again, they can't deliver.
Yeah, they really can't.
So that's understandable.
Yeah.
Places could be open to it, but they can't be open to delivery.
You said 7th Avenue is running?
Barely.
Oh yeah, the ambulance down there. Or where's the firefighter?
How happened?
I don't know. Damn. Look at that. Look at all the... Wait, so you were inside this whole time? Because I saw you come down from 7th. Come out from 7th.
Yeah, I went to go get Moody's parking.
Oh, because I was in the basement changing.
I was gonna run down the street, because in the street.
Yeah?
I was like, no, chill, man, come on.
Yeah, man.
Son, I drove in the street yesterday.
Oh, you drove?
Yeah.
Oh, that's one behind you. Oh man, they hit right in my eye. Oh shit. Why were we doing that? You got some behind you. Oh shit. Man. Shit. Hell yeah.
I just noticed you going up the wrong way.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I can't see what's on conversation. You can't see the car. There's a car right here.
Yep. You wanna go on the street? Well, I think there's a... Hold on, stay there. Yeah, I think it's better there.
Down the street, right?
Yeah.
What's that nigga trying to hop?
Nah, get the fuck out of here. Where is he? Or is he gonna turn? He's turning? What happened? Oh, yeah, it went up? You got ice in your skin?
No, it's on my face. You think I'm laughing? What is this?
Oh shit! That thing is frozen, my bro.
Bro, for some reason, I don't mind it.
Sorry. Fuck yeah, look at that. Right now I'm in the streets of New York. Brooklyn. Yo, how cold do you think it is right now? Like with the wind factor.
So this is like 2 degrees.
It really is cold outside right now. But
Last I checked, it was 25.
him, who you see, and me have one shirt on with the North Face, and we're fine. Right?
Ain't fine though.
What?
Pants ain't fine.
I got 2 layers.
Fuck you.
I'm good.
My legs are cold, so
Yeah, me neither. I got Timberlands on.
I got thermal on. I don't know, I just keep checking to see if this nigga's
Nah, you would hear that nigga. Can't even lie. Dude, look at the tracks. These are some heavy duty ass wheels. Look, and these are perfectly. Look at this. Look at this. These are perfectly. That's a track. Oh yeah.
Doesn't smell basically the same thing.
KFC is open because I smell chicken. I smell it. Yeah, go over here. It's perfectly kind of flat. Woo! Nah, man. Oh shit.
And that's you.
Yeah. Right now we're about to hit 5th Avenue. 5th Avenue in Brooklyn. Yeah, right now it's quiet. Let's see. Woo! Ooh. That was fun here. Ooh. That was a longer trip than we usually take.
Usually we'd be back by now.
Yeah. Look at that. Is that a car stuck?
Yeah.
Wow. You know what it kind of looks like? It kind of looks like a 911. If all of this was like a street.
Yeah.
Nah.
Not yet. Son, I think if I take somebody to come in my pants, that's it.
Yo, these are blind.
Woo! You guys are gonna do the car.